Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold now trading at a level of $2635.415. Okay, and if you look at this particular chart, what we have seen, there is a clear U pattern is forming at this particular level. Okay, and this is the first U pattern and the second U pattern is this. Okay, a level of around $2613. This is the low. So if the price sustain this particular level, we can see there will be a bounce back towards downside. Okay, but if the price started sustaining above $2638, we can see there will be a further upside movement we can see. Okay, because this will small pattern will create a U pattern shape, so probability of going towards a level of 2650 will be there, and once the price moving above this level, probability of going towards 2659 is there, and then a further upside movement we can see. Okay, looking at this particular chart, probability of going further down will be there if the price started going towards a level 2614 and then a further downfall. If you look at this trend, there is a narrow pattern is forming, so you have to understand that if the price started going above a level of around $2668, then there is a probability that this pattern will break up will happen at this particular level. Okay, and this pattern will break towards an upside, okay, at a level of around $2668, and then once started going upside, we can see there will be an upside movement. But if the price started falling below a level of 2601, we can see there will be a further downfall will be there, because this pattern will form towards downside. Okay, coming back again on the dollar index, what we can see. So before I move ahead and explain you whether price of gold can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, looking at this particular chart, let's see dollar index now trading at a level of $108.2. Okay, and chances can be high that if the price keep moving above this level, it can go towards 108.5, and from there a level of $109. Suppose if the price moving above this level, probability of touching 109.5 will be there, and if the price moving above this level, a further upside we can see. Okay, but if the price started falling again below a level of 108.5, chances of touching a level of 108.1 will be there. Okay, and then a level of 107.5. okay, and once the price going below that level, we can see it will go towards 107 and then a further low. So when I'm saying the dollar index started going upside, we will see the gold price will come down. Similarly, if the dollar index started going down, we will see the gold price will go up. This is what we can see. Okay, now if we come back again on, now we come again on the gold, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, probability is high, we can see it can go towards $2638. Okay, but suppose if the price moving above this level, we can see it will go towards 2649. okay, and if that level sustain, we can see there will be a further upside movement towards a level of $2653. okay, if the price moving above that particular level, chance of touching a level of 2659 will be there, and if that sustain, we will see a further upside movement towards $2663, and then there will be a zone breakout, so further upside we can see towards a level of around $2675. This 2663 is already been weak, so chance of touching 2675 will be there, and if the price moving above this level, probability of crossing a level of 2690 will be there after crossing a level of 2675, because there will be a zone breakout, because this level we have not seen in the month of December, so chances are high we can see the price will go upside and can touch a level of 2690, and then a further high we can see. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, market is uncertain, so you don't have to judge like it will go in the one direction, okay, or the other direction. You have to understand support and resistance plays an important role. So if the market has to go up, it will go directly, no, it will not go directly like this. It will hold for some time, then it will go upside. Similarly, it will hold for some time, then how it will come down. So now suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come towards its next support coming at a level of $2629, If the price moving below that particular level, chance of touching a level of 26.23 is there. If the price moving below that particular level, chances of going towards a level of 26.13 is there. Okay, and once the price moving below that particular level, we can see it will go further low, and then from there it can go towards a level of around $26.11. Okay, if the price moving below a level of 26.11, chances of crossing a level of 26.05 is there, and once the price falling below a level of 26.05, we will see a level of $26.02. Okay, then there will be a zone breakout, so further downfall we can see towards $25.95. Okay, and once started going below 25.95, a probability of touching 25.90 will be there, and then from there a probability of going towards $25.85. Okay, then there will be a zone breakout, so further downfall we can see. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it. Thank you.